Oh, hi.
Hi there, how are you?
All right, not too bad.
Now, I got a letter from your GP about your X-rays and CT scan.
Yeah.
How is the chest at the moment?
Well, I've still got the cough. It's
Yeah.
it's still there, but it's seems to be a lot better after the antibiotics.
And when did you have the antibiotics?
I've had 2 lots of antibiotics.
Yeah.
The last lot I finished on Sunday evening.
Okay. And what were you coughing up?
Like a white, see-through, transparent gunk.
And do you have any problems with the chest normally?
No, not really.
So you don't get short of breath or get any infections normally?
No. I've had this since Christmas though, and it's a real hacker.
Right, yeah. That's fine. And appetite's okay?
Yep, fine. And I feel good.
Yeah. And what about smoking? Do you smoke at all?
I used to smoke until about 25 years ago.
And how much did you smoke?
Between 20 and 40 a day.
And work-wise, what do you do? Are you retired? Or
I am retired now. I took early retirement because my husband's got COPD. I used to be a catering manager.
Okay, yeah. And are you on any medication at the moment?
No. Other than the antibiotics, I've not been on anything.
No required fentanyl?
Yes.
And no major medical problems in the past?
I had pilatus in the 80s, early 80s. Other than that, I've not had anything since. I've been pretty fit.
That's fine. So the CT scan of your chest was entirely normal?
Oh, good.
There's nothing at all of any concern in the chest.
Okay.
Which is very good.
Good.
So no, there's any emphysema or any infection or any cancer.
Lovely.
So that's very good. Because also we scanned your tummy as well, what it did pick up is a nodule in one of your glands. So in the tummy, above the kidney, the gland called the adrenal gland.
Right.
On the left-hand side, there is a inch-sized nodule.
Right.
Nodules are quite common, including the glands. I'm not quite sure what it means. Normally what we do is we get one of our endocrine doctors to kind of assess that. They deal with nodules. And sometimes they do a number of kind of hormonal tests, like that gland responsible for producing lots of hormones.
Okay.
Just to kind of make sure that's okay, and sometimes they have to do another scan at some point.
Okay.
So I think that's what we've picked up. So I'm not quite sure exactly what this nodule is, but it does need kind of assessment by the appropriate doctors.
Okay.
Yeah, but as I say, the rest of the lungs and the rest of the tummy looks entirely normal, which is very reassuring.
Good.
Okay.
That's lovely.
So what I'll do is I'll send a letter to one of the endocrine doctors at Stoke Mandeville for them to have a look at the CT scan and to see whether you need any further investigations or not. So they should be in contact with you to decide on that.
Okay, lovely.
Okay, and I'll send a letter to your GP as well and just let them know. And I think hopefully with the cough and the stuff, that should all settle down.
Okay, that's lovely.
Okay,
Okay, that's super. Thank you very much indeed.
okay then, take care.
Okay then. Bye-bye.